Hello neighbors, Ariana from Therapist Next Door here. So I'm going to give you guys a special opportunity to ask me anything. So as a therapist, I've been practicing for over 13 years and basically I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot about people's lives. I've learned a lot about relationships and life in general. And yeah, maybe you've never had therapy before. You're maybe wondering what kind of insights a therapist might have. So I'm giving you guys the opportunity to ask me anything. And I'm new, so I'm gonna really take the time to go through any questions that you might ask and go ahead and provide a follow-up video with those responses. So disclaimer, this is not a replacement for therapy, but you can look at it as an opportunity for you to get some advice, some feedback, some tips from a therapist who's probably worked on that issue with somebody else before. So what I'll do is, instead of answering your questions in the comments, is I'll make another video to answer the questions that came up. And that way we can kind of keep it anonymous and helpful for everyone. And, hopefully I'll be able to engage a little bit more and see what kinds of things you guys are looking for advice or tips on as a therapist. So I can't wait to hear from all of you. Again, I'm new here, so any like, any comment, any subscription is much appreciated for me to be able to continue to do this and be able to provide helpful information. Authentically yours, Ariana.